Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome, and today we're looking at a motorhome that perfectly balances prestige, comfort, and cutting-edge innovation. This is the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, a vehicle designed for travelers who want refined luxury, intelligent technology, and effortless performance in every single journey. Mercedes-Benz has taken everything they know about premium engineering and applied it to life on the road, and the result is a motorhome that feels both sophisticated and genuinely practical. The exterior design immediately communicates modern elegance. The front end features the signature Mercedes grille with the iconic three-pointed star proudly centered, giving the motorhome a strong yet tasteful identity. The LED headlights are sleek and advanced, offering exceptional night visibility while adding a sharp, futuristic look. The front bumper is sculpted with clean lines that improve aerodynamics and give the vehicle a confident stance on the road. This is not a bulky, awkward-looking RV. It looks streamlined, premium, and thoughtfully designed. Along the sides, the body feels long and fluid, with subtle contours that enhance airflow and reduce wind resistance. Large panoramic windows stretch across the living areas, allowing plenty of natural light to enter while maintaining privacy thanks to high-quality tinting. Integrated storage compartments blend seamlessly into the design, avoiding the cluttered look that many motorhomes suffer from. The wheels are stylish, modern alloys that complement the luxury character of the vehicle, while chrome accents and refined detailing add just the right amount of visual sophistication. At the rear, the design continues to feel clean and balanced. Slim LED taillights, a wide rear stance, and carefully integrated functional elements give the motorhome a premium finish from every angle. Even practical features like external hookups, access points, and storage doors are positioned discreetly to preserve the overall aesthetic. Everything about the exterior feels intentional, engineered for both beauty and real-world use. Step inside, and the atmosphere immediately shifts to calm, modern comfort. The interior of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome feels more like a contemporary luxury apartment than a vehicle. Soft-touch materials, premium upholstery, and elegant trim finishes create a welcoming environment. The color palette is typically light and airy, helping the space feel larger and more relaxing. Excellent sound insulation keeps the cabin quiet while driving, allowing conversations, music, or relaxation without constant road noise. The main living area is designed for versatility. Comfortable seating provides excellent support for long trips and easily converts into additional sleeping space when needed. The layout feels open and practical, allowing people to move freely without bumping into furniture. Large windows bring in plenty of daylight, while integrated blinds allow you to control light and privacy with ease. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, giving you the ability to adjust the mood depending on the time of day. The kitchen is one of the highlights of this motorhome. Mercedes has designed it for people who actually want to live and cook on the road. You get a modern induction cooktop, a quality oven or microwave system, a spacious refrigerator, and plenty of counter space for meal preparation. The cabinetry is sleek, durable, and built with soft close mechanisms that prevent rattling while driving. Storage is cleverly distributed throughout the kitchen, allowing you to carry groceries, cookware, and essentials without cluttering the space. The sleeping area continues the theme of comfort and practicality. The main bed features a high-quality mattress designed for real rest, not just occasional use. It feels supportive and comfortable enough for long-term travel. Storage is integrated around and under the bed, providing generous space for clothing and personal belongings. The bedroom feels private and peaceful, especially when the blinds are closed and the lighting is set to a softer tone. The bathroom is modern, clean, and well thought out. It includes a proper shower, a stylish sink, and a practical toilet system.
The space is used efficiently, but it never feels cheap or overly cramped. High-quality materials, good ventilation, and thoughtful lighting make it a pleasant space to use every day. For travelers planning extended trips, this bathroom setup adds real convenience and comfort. Performance is another area where the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome truly shines. Built on a proven Mercedes platform, this motorhome offers smooth, confident driving characteristics. Power typically comes from an efficient diesel or hybrid-assisted powertrain, delivering strong torque for highway cruising and hill climbing, while maintaining respectable fuel economy for a vehicle of this size. The engine feels refined, quiet, and reliable, which is exactly what you want on long journeys. The ride quality is excellent thanks to advanced suspension tuning. Road imperfections are absorbed smoothly, making long-distance travel feel relaxed rather than tiring. Steering is light and predictable, helping the driver feel in control even when navigating tight spaces or urban environments. Mercedes also includes a full suite of advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies reduce driver stress and make the overall driving experience significantly safer. Technology is deeply integrated throughout the motorhome. The driver cockpit features a digital display with navigation, vehicle data, and multimedia controls inspired by Mercedes passenger vehicles.
Inside the living area, a central control panel allows you to manage lighting, climate control, battery levels, and water systems with ease. Smartphone connectivity ensures you can control certain functions remotely and stay connected no matter where your travels take you. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is positioned in the premium segment, but it still offers strong value compared to ultra-luxury competitors. Estimated prices typically start around $140,000 to $180,000, depending on configuration, layout, and included features. Higher-end versions with additional technology and luxury upgrades can climb higher, but the overall package delivers a convincing blend of quality, comfort, and advanced engineering. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is built for people who want refined travel without unnecessary excess. It delivers comfort, smart technology, dependable performance, and the prestige of the Mercedes name in a package that feels genuinely usable for real-life adventures. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.